This how-to video, I'm going to show you how you get started with Traffic Authority. It's very simple to do. And once you've got this set up, your traffic system will be up and running virtually. All you need to do is you need to click into Traffic Authority, and you come to here to the overview of Traffic Authority, which tells you you have 6 steps to follow. And then you can see them over here. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All you have to do is you go through each step individually. Now, what you will notice as you go through the steps, it talks about having GetResponse as the autoresponder. GetResponse used to be the autoresponder of choice with Traffic Authority, but is now no longer. But that will be covered, the autoresponder to be used will be covered in List Leverage, which is one of the steps that you can set up. So when it comes to doing the GetResponse system, forget that. You don't need to do it. You don't need to have it at all. But this will walk you through all the steps you need to do to get yourself set up and running with your Traffic Authority broker system. If you want to find out more about Traffic Authority, you can click on the blog link beneath this video, and it will tell you exactly how it works, really. And don't forget to hit the bell button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well, and hit the like button. Feel free to comment if you wish to. But that is so you get notified of all the videos which are uploaded to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Dave Hayes, and that is the overview of the getting started part of Traffic Authority.